Here we have a couple of gold coins. One is a 20 Swiss francs from the early 20th century, and the other is a Byzantine solidus from the 5th century AD. A common question from beginner collectors is, does the current price of precious metals affect the value of ancient coins made out of precious metals? And the answer is, it does, in some very specific cases, but most of the times it does not. Let me elaborate. Here we have a typical piece of European junk silver. It is an Italian 500 lira. It is common. It has its share of people that collect it, but it isn't collected by a ton of people. And in this state of preservation, the only thing that gives it value is its silver content. It has around 9.1 grams of fine silver, so you should be able to buy it for 9.1 times the spot price for a gram of silver, plus a small premium. And here is a coin from the 2nd century AD. This is a denarius of Roman Emperor Antoninus Pius. It is around 75 to 78% silver and it weighs 3.4 grams. At the current price of silver, when this video is being made, its spot price is roughly 2.5 euros. But I purchased it for a very reasonable price of 40 euros. Even if silver exploded to 10 times its current price, it's highly likely this coin would have cost me the same. That's because all of its value is determined by its worth as a collectible, as an artifact. Its state of preservation, its demand amongst collectors, its historical significance. Silver just isn't valuable enough today to overcome the variables that give numismatic value to ancient coins. And it's a similar case with gold, with maybe some exceptions. Here is a stater of Alexander the Great. It weighs around 8.7 grams of nearly pure gold, but its market price is at least 8, 9, 10 times that of its weight in gold, sometimes more. Once again, the value of these coins is purely dictated by numismatic factors. Unless you like paying 900% premium on your gold stack, I don't know. Some types of gold ancients, however, might be more common or less sought after, and they might approach their bullion value. This Byzantine Tremesis is an incredibly thin and light coin. It weighs just 1.5 grams. Its market value is around 2.5, 3 times that of its gold value. Once more, it's not like it's very wise paying a 300% premium for your gold. Its value is purely numismatic. But if gold became twice as valuable as it is today, I wouldn't be surprised if this coin became a little bit more expensive. And finally, we have the exceptions. There are some specific types of coins where supply just outpaces demand by a wide margin. As an example, I don't know, common Ottoman or Islamic gold coins, especially those with holes and little defects, maybe a Byzantine coin in particularly rough shape, a very worn Spanish colonial gold coin. When these go for auction, it isn't rare for them to go for a value just slightly above that of its gold value. But gold is gold. It doesn't matter if it was struck in 2023 or in 1023 AD. Gold value in these cases will dictate a floor to coin prices. But once again, these are very specific cases of particular historical coins with low market demand. But it's not like this makes them a good opportunity to stack and collect historical coins. I mean, if you happen to collect Islamic medieval gold in lower grades, yeah, it's your lucky day. But bullion is bullion, numismatics is numismatics. When it's time to sell, these types of coins are much less liquid than, for example, a 1/10 ounce bullion gold piece. And of course, you need to know what you are buying, just to make sure you're getting an authentic coin. And when it's time to sell, the spread between buying and selling can be considerable. The sales commission of an auction house or the cut a dealer will take when buying an ancient gold coin from you will be much higher than the buy-sell spread of common bullion that everyone buys. So there you have it. If you are a stacker and you want to get into ancient coins, go for it. You're gonna love it. But keep that mantra in your head. Bullion is bullion, numismatics is numismatics. Don't mix them up. Alright, I hope you learned something new today. Happy collecting, happy stacking, and I'll see you soon.